Hello everyone, I'm going to be unboxing my package from Airsplat.com. What I received is a G36C with the tactical combo package. Enjoy. The box on top is a little bulgy, but it's from the face mask I got, so. Brown packing paper, there's a lot of it. There's my mask. It is a Extreme Rage mask by X-Ray, or X-Ray by Extreme Rage, not sure. This is a little instructional paper for magazines and batteries and stuff. Here is my vest. It is the Airsoft OD tactical vest. It comes with a holster, mag pouches, pistol mag pouches, everything you need really. You don't need a huge, backpack hiking kit. Just something lightweight, something to hold your stuff in. Comes with a belt. I took the belt off because I didn't like it, but everything is adjustable. The shoulder straps, the belt. Next is this bag of BBs. It felt loose inside, so I wasn't too sure. Probably shouldn't have opened it. But oh well. And it turns out they were loose inside, and the bottom blew out on the original bag, so that's not good. And then there's a sticker from Airsplat. Yeah. Standard cap. Spring-loaded D-Boys G36C magazine. Just really basic. There's my sling. Little paper slip. Here's the receipt. Right there. And now is the gun. G36C made by JG. So I will be reviewing it and opening it in the next video. Yeah, thank you for watching.